Chief Minister had sanctioned 75,000 rupees in his time, and today I am here to once again to inaugurate this building. It's a real moment of happiness for me, and really a moment which I will always cherish, because there is nothing like following your leaders' footsteps and being able to continue what they had started. It gives a different satisfaction in your heart and in your mind to be able to take that journey forward of what your leader has done, and you will be proud to say, look back and say, yes, what you had started, we are continuing today. So it gives a different satisfaction. I am extremely happy. I must congratulate the managing committee for the excellent work that you've been doing and the education that you're providing to the students out here. I have seen your proposal of the fencing for girls hostel and for boys hostel. I will definitely examine this. I will be sitting with the Honorable Minister. We will work out on how we can start. Maybe all cannot start in one go, but definitely we will start with at least one of these projects at the earliest. So I would request our Honorable Minister, who is obviously the local MLA, that we will sit down together and work on this. I assure you to our President that I would want to continue this great work started by our great leaders, and therefore I will ensure that we are able to succeed in this. I was just going to the washroom when a young girl had come from Sijun Memorial School, and she was speaking, so she must be thinking, and the teachers must be thinking that, oh, right when she was speaking, Chief Minister left, and he must not have heard. But thanks to the loudspeaker and thanks to a loud voice, that I was listening to everything she was saying while I was walking. So I was, of course, very impressed with, number one, the confidence with which she spoke, and being able to speak out on a stage like this at a young age. I don't think I could imagine myself doing that when I was a small kid. So I must congratulate her, and I want to assure her as well as her school that definitely I will be supporting and helping them. She told me that the building, or she was speaking to all of us, that the building is in a very bad condition. As you all know, that when it comes to schools, our government is very clear that we support all kind of infrastructure projects. It may not be everything in one go, but we always keep education as our priority. So even in small ways, big ways, whenever there is a chance for us to support schools, we do it. And so let me assure the students and the faculty and the parents in the managing committee of Sijon Memorial School that please submit your application, and I'll be happy to support you for the construction or for the repair of the building. So I'll just